Looking for a trusted dumpster rental in Fortson, Georgia? Introducing Johnson's Environmental, your reliable partner for waste management services. Johnson's Environmental provides top-quality dumpster rental services tailored to our clients' diverse needs in Fortson, Georgia. Our commitment to reliability and efficiency ensures that our dumpsters are delivered promptly and picked up on schedule, whether you're managing a home renovation, a large-scale construction project, or organizing a community event. We understand the importance of keeping your site clean and organized, and our professional team is dedicated to providing seamless service from start to finish. Our team at Johnson's Environmental is equipped with the expertise and resources to handle projects of any size. We offer flexible rental periods and various dumpster options to suit your requirements. Our focus on customer satisfaction means we work closely with you to ensure that your waste management needs are met efficiently and effectively. Trust Johnson's Environmental for reliable dumpster rental services in Fortson, Georgia, and experience the difference our commitment to quality can make. For more information or to schedule your dumpster rental, call us at 706-406-3867 or visit www.jedumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Fortson, GA. Johnson's Environmental, your partner in efficient and reliable waste management solutions.